can put it in the car for y'all.
Put the bucket back. That guy had a bucket.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so we just want to give back. You know, we've been planning this for almost like what, 2 months now?
And you said you a club?
Yeah. Yeah, my club.
Nemesis
DMV.
Okay.
Yeah,
my daughter, she's interested. She wants to grow up to rap cars and
nice.
like Challengers, Chargers, all of it. That's why we was like, we should have brought her.
Yeah,
is there
nice.
a website or anything?
Yeah, you can go on Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay.
And just type in Nemesis DMV. I'll write it down for you.
Appreciate it. Thank you. I wanted to try to, because I wanted to try to find a class where you can just like start learning. And we
Yeah,
just
she wants to go
haven't.
to Tokyo.
Yeah, she's all.
Yeah, she wants to.
We definitely know people that could definitely rap. I mean, that does rapping.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
I
was
would definitely like bring her along there. She could probably get that person's brain and stuff like that. Yeah.
She can practice on my
car.
car.
It was really far, so we was just kind of like, okay, we'll find a place for you to learn.
Yeah.
You know, but I was thinking she should probably just start learning about cars, just getting down to the bones of it.
Yeah. The
And
main
then-
thing is for her to watch somebody.
Yeah.
Then go into the process of it.
Yeah.
So that's but you have our Instagram, so if you ever want her to come around, then we're most likely to have her, show her around, show her some people that we know that does rap. So somebody rap my car, so I can definitely refer her to the person that rap mine.
Oh yeah,
My boy too,
she gonna lose it.
yeah. So we got y'all. We be around
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Philly, New York, all type of
Oh
places.
yeah, she gonna be excited.
Yeah.
And plus y'all local, so it's like, you know, because when we look, just put it right in there. Thank you. Yeah, when
And
we
that's
look,
under it's Nemesis _DMV.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. But yeah, we really appreciate it. I think even just knowing that she can connect with you guys to do her future, because she's gonna be out of high school soon. So
If it's just something little, you might need somebody to watch a kid for a day or something like that.
yeah.
And we can assist on that. So we're working towards just, we can be a club, we can go out here, drive fast, have fun, go do this, go do that, but in our community, in our area, worldwide, like what are we doing for ourselves? My media guy, Kuma, he does media, he does everything. So just the route that she want to go, we can assist on that. You know, it's a lot of clubs out here that do the same things we are doing, but we're going to try to do what we can do as Nemesis.
Yeah. And then y'all local at that, and that was one thing we could not find a local club that she can like start to learn from. So
we'll definitely assist and help y'all with that one.
We're definitely going to send you a message and everything.
Yeah.
Please do.
Yes, we will.
Yeah, it was really nice meeting all of you.
And y'all have a good Christmas too. Christmas Eve and the Christmas holiday.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
All right, bye.
Be safe.
All right, you too.
I can't do it. It's been too long, bro. It's been like 2 months. It's been like 2 months.
Let's flip through it. Let's see how.
He did the last one. Hey, y'all, I can't do an intro no more, man. It's been too long. It's been too long. Suck, I can't do it.
Hey, that would have been lit.
What's good, y'all? We back with another video, man. It's been a minute since I've been behind the camera, bruh. I've been busy with life, but you know, we still outside, still getting the work done, content always. As you see, two-tone, shadow, the Bandit Hellcat got the stripes tucking on, modeling the model himself. Say it again.
That's only $4,000. You got that? Yeah. Nigga, I'm trying to, hey, if I can't, at least I can.
I mean, for 4,000, you can. You can.
No.
You can go get you a bootleg supercharger.
What, one of them the whistle?
Yeah, you can go get your pro charger.
Not for $4,000.
It probably won't work, but
You're done. You're done.
but we in the shop, man. We got Shadow himself. Getting some new shoes, I guess.
Hey, don't go under the car, bro.
Don't go under the car?
Let's fuck around and see my turbos.
Let's see what's under the car real quick. He got the turbos under the. So he got his cat. So if y'all want to come take those, he still got them. Let's see. He got Whoever,
Wake up in the morning, why my car sound like that? Why is it not machine?
whoever did the welder under this motherfucker. That shit look terrible. Let's see. He got straight pipe from the. He got what's the name called? The resonator delete. Let's see. His differential still look good, so he ain't doing nothing back here.
I don't swing my car, nigga.
Nah, that right there, I can tell that thing look bad already. My man, they just said forget trying to make this thing fit. You got the wrong size. It look like they put these joints on backwards.
Nigga.
Oh yeah, you should never let me see under here.
Straight pipe at first, nigga.
You was what?
Straight pipe. Oh, bro. Alright, bro.
You're wild. You're wild. Hey, what the dog doing? You just set himself up, bro. That's crazy. But nah, yeah, he got some power stop brakes, man. Cause he need them. He can't stop anyway. Hey, where you go? Why you leave?
Oh, leave me alone, bro.
Why you leave?
Leave me alone.
The camera back out. I don't know why you trying to run away. It's been a minute. Hey, you getting in the Hellcat? Go ahead, start it up.
Why don't niggas with Hellcats always leave their doors unlocked?
Cause they feel like nobody can handle the power of the car or something like that.
That's crazy, bro. Did you see the steering wheel? The steering wheel is lit.
Is that the new one?
Yeah.
Oh, he ain't even tell nobody about that.
He ain't even tell nobody.
I shouldn't even show that.
I should still it though.
You should?
Yeah.
Try that.
Like, I mean, on some real shit, like what? See, I don't even want to sit. You see how low this bitch is to the ground, bro?
Nah, wait till you turn the car on, it's gonna automatically push up.
Oh,
to
bro.
this-
I did, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, knees was all the way.
I got
squished.
squished.
Yeah, that shit was crazy, bro. But like, look how low this bitch is.
It ain't low to the ground.
That shit
To
fucking
the,
crazy.
to the floor.
To the flow.
I ain't gonna lie, this is a house I want to move in. A 2-car garage, enough space to fit like 4 cars. This I like this neighborhood. Like enough spot I can practice swinging. I only gotta go far. I'm going right here. Practice right here in my front yard. This a dope spot.
Yeah.
What we got for him?
All of this.
All of it?
Yeah. So I gotta remember the boys. This was the boy stuff, right? Yeah.
What age?
Uh-oh.
Because that's older. The turtle is younger.
Oh, we split that up already. We gave 4-year-old. We gave the 4-year-old and the 5-year-old stuff.
So I'm gonna take it to his guardian. She did just get out the hospital just now, so we're gonna drive it down there to her. So this will make Chris really happy, and it's his birthday today too.
That's what's up.
Well, his birthday tomorrow. So yeah, his birthday on Christmas Day. So this is going to make him happy. He is like the sweetest kid.
Thank you all for letting us do this.
No, we appreciate it. We appreciate y'all doing it.
That's what it sounds like. Hold on.
I graduated in 06, so I went to Westlake.
So we gonna make sure Chris get this, and I'll have her send your wife some pictures and stuff.
Cool,
well, I don't know who number I got.
It'll probably be that's mine that I just called off.
Okay.
It'll probably go to my wife, but then the lady that we dealt with from
Valencia.
Yeah, when we talked to her, she had told us cause I'm glad that we got a chance to really do it, cause we picked up him. We got another little girl we get ready to go see.
Who you about to go see?
Ava.
Yep.
And Brinkley.
And
Well,
Brinkley Road,
it happened so fast because
that's what I said. Is y'all want to take this
we
to
put it.
since y'all going to Brinkley Road.
I mean, we can. That is not that. We'll do whatever y'all need us to do.
If y'all can do that, I mean, I ain't trying to make no out of way, but if y'all can do that,
you making my day easier because once I'm done with this family and then going there, I'm going straight.
Yeah, so they right in Clinton, and you gotta pass through Clinton.
We gotta go up Southern
They
Avenue.
literally live right across from.
That's cool. Y'all keep the whole band too.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Yeah,
No problem.
You try to race. I'll take all y'all over.
Shit, we can go.
Shit, I'm fucking with you.
What's going on?
Hey, shit, ain't shit. What club y'all with?
Nemesis DMV. Yeah, we knew.
Y'all got that club shit,
I mean, it's a difference. Some of that's the problem. A lot of people think of as a club. We a family.
Okay.
So we ain't too worried about the cars. We just about the community. You ain't giving back to the community and helping the kids and others.
Yes, sir.
You ain't doing something right. So I get you. I understand it 100%. A lot of people don't take it that way. I try to instill it into our people that we could be a club any other day, but if you're not helping.
Yeah, I used to do that shit, and them motherfuckers wasn't about nothing.
And see, that's how we try. I mean, it's our generation, and we try to change that. But the only way we change it is we worry about ourselves. all these other clubs, you know, they want to be clubs. I get it, you know what I'm saying? It's cool linking up with the guys, doing this, doing that, but if you ain't doing stuff like right now, like what today mean,
Facts.
you ain't doing nothing right. Like, you gonna be just like any other club.
Yeah, 'cause I don't know too many car clubs is actually doing what y'all doing.
None.
The bike clubs, all day long.
Yeah, and I tell people too, like, in right now what we in, if a bike club came to us, we're gonna get positive vibe. Bike club go to other people, and if you join the bike club, you wouldn't survive. The way that they go, it wouldn't matter. Like, and that's just the general how we trying to change us is just like, yeah, we could try to show other clubs what to do, but that's gonna speak for themselves. Once people start seeing like, man, they don't ever reach out to us, they always reach out to them. But it's like I said, it's the community. If we can't help somebody that needs something, like, and you ain't doing nothing right. Like I said, these cars can be gone today or tomorrow.
You wrong, you right.
So I just try to tell people, like, our biggest thing is, yeah, we get labeled as the club, and I respect why you said that, because of dealing with and just being in it yourself. You had to be in it to really know, like, all right, that's my opinion. I just tell us as a whole, like, we a family. Family
that's
can
the
stick
first
together.
thing people say is club. You know, they don't say the family joint.
Yeah, we a family, and we try to keep it that way. Like I said, we came from Dream Mopar, and we came from where not so much hate, but it's just a different vibe. Everybody, we're pushing community service and trying to give back, whether it's coming out of your pocket or not. And some people just not with that. You know what I'm saying? A is getting with somebody, trying to help a family, whether it's house caught on fire, clothes, kids, homeless, whatever the situation may be. If we can help, you know, that's what we try to do. And unfortunately, this happened for us because we was gonna donate a lot of stuff, and we got the information that somebody backed out, and it's just unfortunate. Like I said, we wanted to step in and actually be a part of something that's special, because you got some people, man, that don't know when Christmas is gonna come, when their birthday's gonna come, when Valentine's, anything gonna come around with the generation and the stuff that we going through right now. It's like, she coming out soon? Yeah, she said we come to the door, so that's what I said. Hey, man, Nemesis DMV doing Christmas for the kids, you know what I'm saying? That's Uncle Santa right there. More mods, more Dodge. Tell them to the camera, what is it?
You know what it is. Mopar.
I think it's this.
How you doing?
This is Mopar right here.
No problem.
All set.
Y'all have a good one, okay?
All right.